In this video, I'll show you how to scan a paper document with your iPhone 16, 16 Plus, Pro and Pro Max. It's very easy and it can have multiple pages as well. So let's get started. First step, once you unlock your phone, is to find the Notes app. This one over here, it comes with your iPhone. You don't need to download anything. Do not simply tap on this app. Long press on it until you have these options showing up. Then what you need to do is to go over here and select Scan Document. Continue. Now this is automatic mode and it scans automatically and takes, you see, I'm not even touching anything. I don't really like this because you see it's just doing non-stop. To stop this madness, you need to, first of all, let's delete whatever it scanned by clicking on the lower left side and just clicking on this garbage bin to remove all the scans that it did without me even wanting. Click on the top right corner to change from auto to manual. I prefer manual mode. It gives me more time to place my documents on the table. And now what you need to do is to position your phone, you see over here, the camera of your phone, over the first page. Let's say each of these are different pages, just for the purpose of this video. So let me scan the first page. I'll put my phone right above it. And when I'm ready, I'm going to press this button down below. So this is our first scan over here. Obviously, it's not perfect, so you can adjust the borders by dragging these circles around. Try to make a rectangle, something like that. So that's my first page. I'll keep the scan. And if you're not happy at all with whatever it scanned, click on retake and start again. If you're happy, keep scan. Now let's go to the next page. Over here, press that button. Okay, now adjust the corners so it makes sense. Whoops. Like continue, don't allow. All right, we have our second page, keep scan, and you can do this over and over again. Right now I have 2 pages, but you can have hundreds of them. You can look at them to see what you scan again by clicking on the lower left side and just like that to see them. And once you're happy, okay, exit here by pressing done. You absolutely need to click on save. If you simply quit at this point, it will not be saved and you're going to lose everything. So click on save and the document will be saved. Here I only have 2 pages, but yours will probably be longer. And after you did this, it will be saved into the Note app of your iPhone. You can share this on email or Messenger or any other apps simply by clicking on the top right corner here. You see the square with the arrow, click on that one, and here you're going to have all your contacts and you can airdrop this, message, email, and if you have other apps like WhatsApp and whatever other ones, you're going to see them here and you'll be able to click and share whatever you just scanned. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.